Hi Year 1. Today we are going to learn how to use the voice recording feature in Scratch Junior to make our characters talk. You can pause or rewind this video at any time if you need to. Work at your own pace. And when you are ready, press play and keep going. To get started, open Scratch Junior on your iPad or laptop. Then tap the plus button to start a new project. Next, choose 2 characters and a background. Then set up your stage so it looks like mine. Pause the video here to set up your stage. Once you are ready, press the play button to begin.
So we're going to start off with our second character. As you can see, mine is the frog. So click on your second character and it should be highlighted like this. We're going to click on our trigger blocks, which is the yellow blocks right here. And we're going to click on this block, which is the start on bump feature. Now the block tells the frog to start talking when the rabbit will bump into it. Now we're going to click on the speaker block here, the green one. And we're going to click on the microphone, and this is going to help us record our message. So I'm just going to give you an example of what I'm going to say. So I'm going to click on the microphone and we're going to click on the red button here to start our recording. Hi, Rabbit. How are you? And to finish the recording, I click the square in the middle to stop, and I'm going to click the play button here to hear it back. Hi, Rabbit. How are you?
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and have a go.
I am happy with that, so I'm going to click the tick button. As you can see, there are 2 microphones now. This is called a sound bite. I'm going to drag our sound bite block to join our trigger block. And now we're going to go back to our yellow trigger blocks, and we're going to add in a closed envelope. This code helps trigger the conversation between the 2 sprites. You'll see in a second. And then we're going to click on our red blocks and we're going to end our code with a blank red block. We finished the code for our frog. We're going to start our code for the rabbit.
Now click on your first character. Mine is the rabbit.
So we want our rabbit to move to the frog and bump into the frog. So we're going to start off on our yellow blocks and we're going to click the green flag to start off our code. Next, we're going to go to our movement blocks and we want the rabbit to move forwards. So we'll click the forward arrow and let's do 6 spaces. We'll see if that works. End that code with our red block and end that code. Now we're going to start our voiceover code. So we're going to go back to our yellow blocks and we are going to click on the open envelope to start off our code. Next, we're going to go to the green button again and we're going to record our voiceover. So click on the microphone and I'm going to record. Good, thank you, frog. How are you? I've stopped the recording. Let's play that back. Good, thank you, frog. How are you? I am happy with that. So I'm going to click tick, and there's our soundbite block. We're going to drag that down and add that to our trigger block, the envelope.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and have a go.
The envelope, open envelope. And to end our code, we're going to go back to the red blocks and place that blank red block there to end our code. Okay, now we're going to test to see if our code works. So we'll go to the full screen and we'll click the green flag. As you can see, the rabbit didn't reach the frog, so the code didn't work. So let's exit full screen and we'll move the rabbit back and let's try again. Maybe let's try 13 spaces. Hi, Rabbit. How are you? So, as you can see, our code worked.
I hope you enjoyed this video and had fun using the voice-over recording on Scratch Junior. Play around and explore more options with the voice-over recording, and I can't wait to see what you bring to class.